This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the chronograph so the hands won't interfere. Press the top pusher until the chrono hands settle. Once done, make sure the crown is unscrewed if threaded and pull to the time-setting position. This is the second detent on most chronos. You want the movement running normally, so don't force anything. Gentle turns move the hour and minute hands. Set your workspace steady. This prevents slipping when you rotate the crown to adjust time precisely. You now set the hour and minute by turning the crown forward. On many chrono movements, only advancing preserves the gear train. Move past the target and then back into place in short steps when necessary for accuracy. Once the minute hand is correct, push the crown briefly to check if seconds jump or stop. This tells you whether to sync with a time signal. If your chronograph has a seconds reset using the pushers, use that after the crown adjustments. You finish by pressing the crown fully back in and screwing it down if your watch seals. This restores water resistance and secures the setting. Then restart the chronograph to verify each pusher returns subdials to 0 and that timekeeping proceeds smoothly. If hands skip, the date changes at wrong times, or pushers feel gritty, stop and repeat the sequence carefully. If problems persist, seek a qualified watchmaker, because internal timing and coupling mechanisms may need service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.